Really? 18 minutes?
18 minutes, sometimes less.
We're going to check it.
Let's go see.
What are we seeing here, Rabbi? Why is this bag closed?
We're seeing a large bag of wheat kernels that from the second they were reaped, they were checked that they're dry and kosher for Pesach use, right before they're grinded and made matzah. These kernels are being sifted and ready to be grinded into flour.
Incredible.
Now, not flour for challah, not flour for cakes, flour only for matzah.
Shemura Matzah.
Shemura Matzah. Rav Avi, water. It's called Maim Shelanu, Maim that waited. You get special water, special flour, special workers.
But you see how one window opens, these open windows won't be open at the same time.
Exactly. You add water with especially guarded flour, and the process is we make the dough. The dough is made extremely fast. Water is hand mixed, and then there are very, very minor machinery that mix it together, make it into the size, mush it together into the size and the quality we want it. We want our matzah as thin as possible. Right on the table, right in the oven. So from here, from the beginning all to the end, in a matter of moments.
And this piece of paper, of course, is switched every 18
minutes.
So basically, even if the matzah itself is made in less than 18 minutes, the machinery, etc., is all washed only every 18 minutes.
Correct. This is called piyat tanur. According to halacha, the beginning of the oven, since we're putting in the oven, has to be the hottest possible in order to make the matzah as fast as possible. In order to prevent moisture, every stick is covered with a piece of paper that is disposal removed. Look at the attention to detail. In order to have a matzah that has no moisture, completely fresh, completely crispy, completely kosher. Our consumers, Jews, religious Jews having matzah on Seder night, do not realize how much detail goes in to making that delicious mahadran matzah we have. Heat in a matzah oven is essential. Not 400, not 500, over 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Look at the steam. One of the important parts of matzah, especially matzot yad Rav Avi, is something called folded matzah. If there's an extra piece on top or a fold, it's a halachic question. There's an individual worker here all day, and one of his jobs is to make sure the size and the folds are cut off completely. That our matzah is the mahadran, mina mahadran.
I'm telling you, if you haven't bought your matzah yet this year, make sure to go get this matzah. A, to say thank you, Sderot, for being strong this year, for standing up, for coming back to live in Sderot, for building the factories again, for showing Am Yisrael Chai. And second of all, the Haddad brothers. What incredible people that built an unbelievable factory here in Sderot. Level of kashrut that is unprecedented. OU, enjoy. Chag Kasher V'Sameach.